Hello students, I welcome you all once again to the e-learning sessions of Automobile Engineering. Myself Hardik Shah, and during this lecture series we will discuss some interesting topics in the subject of automotive, electricals and electronics. Okay, we have already started a new chapter and our today's topic in this video is what is that? That is the working of the convertible mechanism inside the car, or you can say convertible rooftop. Okay, I hope you will see this video till the end to completely understand this topic and gain your skills in automobile engineering. I also request you to note down any queries which arises during the lecture and ask me it in comment section. I will try to solve all the queries as soon as possible. So now let's start our today's video. So what is convertible top, or you can say convertible mechanism? Now convertible tops are the type of the vehicle top that folds or retract. Okay, they are usually soft, but recently some vehicles have been manufactured with the hard tops that will fold down and it can be converted also and concealed also. Okay, however these hard tops are not known as the convertibles. Instead they are called retractable hard tops because their frames are usually made up of the steel. Okay, now the convertible top is usually made up of the canvas, or you can say vinyl, or it will fit over the steel, rigid plastic or the aluminum frame. Okay, so when convertible cars were first manufactured, they were initially made with only two doors which hold this today also. Okay, the production of the convertible spikes between the 1950s and 1970s and used to be available with only a plastic rear window. Now these days tops are more durable and a heated glass window has replaced the plastic window in many convertible models. Okay, however quite a few convertible still do come with the plastic rear window. So how does it works? The folding design of the convertible tops frame can vary and it can be elaborate. Some vehicles come with the electrical convertible tops while other comes equipped with the manual convertible tops. The electric tops have retraction mechanism that is designed to fold and unfold the frame, which is often referred as a power top. Okay, the driver simply has to push one button and the top retracts, goes up or goes down. Okay, now manual tops require that the driver unfasten the top latches from the window shield before he can manually push the top down. In order to put the top up, he would have to pull it up manually and reattach the latches of the windshield. Okay, so what is a convertible car? Okay, so as the name suggests, a car with a foldable or removable roof is called a convertible car. Okay, such cars can transform from a rooftop model to the open top model within the few minutes. So the roof can be a hard or the soft top. Open top cars are also called cabriolets or drop top cars. Okay, some companies call themselves convertible while some manufacturers prefer to call them cabriolets, but the basic functioning remains the same in both of them. Okay, only the name change in the word. Okay, so the convertible car types, there are different types of convertible cars. Convertible cars can be further classified depending on the seating configurations, soft or hard top, engine and the comfort they offer. Okay, so here are some different types of open top cars. First is two-seater, or you can say sports car. This is the typical convertible car with only two seats and a foldable soft roof. Usually these cars are affordable and it is fun to drive. Okay, next is four-seater. Now a four-seater convertible has 2+2 sitting arrangement with a fabric or metal roof which is at the rear. Okay, so soft top cars offer more room for the rear passengers. Thereafter supercar. A convertible supercar is nothing but a supercar with foldable roof. Simple. Almost all the supercar manufacturers offers the cars with a soft top and with different engine configurations. Okay, thereafter cruiser. Not everyone wants to hit those triple-digit speeds and set the road on the fire. Now cruiser convertible cars are designed for the relaxed drivers. Okay, you sit back far and enjoy the scene with a roof folded down or folded up. Okay, thereafter folding hardtop. this is more a type of the roof rather than the types of the car. Okay, it is the hard folded roof. Hard tops are more stable and offer better protection against the weather and keep the occupants safe in the event of crash, or you can say run. Okay, thereafter fabric sunroof. The cars with a fabric sunroof are not only fully convertible, but at least they are offering the open top experience. The folding mechanisms of the roof is simple. If it does not take much space, this type of cars also uses affordable when compared to the convertible cars. Okay. Thereafter, luxury convertibles. If you are looking for the car with luxurious interiors and also need an open top experience, then luxury convertible cars are actually available. Okay, there are only a handful of such cars and come with a fabric roof which folds down easily. Okay, so what are the advantage of these convertibles? First is style. The convertible cars stand out from the crowd with a unique styling. The open top gives a sporty look to the car and it will attract the eyeballs. Okay. Thereafter, visibility. While the driving an open car top, you have clear visibility of the surroundings. Okay. With the roof folded down, you can easily look around and have a better visibility to the simple surrounding compared to the conventional rooftop cars. Okay. Thereafter, room. Usually the high-end sports car have limited room for the driver and passenger, but with the open top car, the headroom is actually unlimited. Okay, you can enjoy it on your own. Thereafter, versatility. A convertible car gives you an option of the driving with the roof on when the weather is not friendly, and when the sunshine hits, you can easily fold down the roof within a few minutes. Okay, so it was the easiness of these convertible cars. Now, what are the disadvantages? First is safety. A convertible car is not safe as a regular car, especially with the soft top roof. There is not a protection for the driver and the passenger in the event of the crash or accident. Okay, soft roof will also be damaged easily and it will be tear up. Okay. Thereafter, noise. A drive in an open top car can be irritating within the city limits as you are exposed to the harsh sounds. Okay. Engine noise, surrounding vehicle noises, honking will be problem if you have open top car. Thereafter, sun wear. So a convertible car is exposed to the harsh sunlight and after a period of time, it can have an adverse effect on the dashboard and the seat upsurface. Okay, so the colors start fading and material degrades with the continuous exposure to the sunlights. Fine. Thereafter, compromised boot space. So the rear of the convertible car is occupied by the roof when it is folding down. Okay, so it is occupied by the roof folding mechanism. So the various components of the system will eat this boot space. Thereafter, security. A convertible car with a soft roof is not safe as it can be easily tampered. Okay, you cannot leave any valuables inside the soft top car or it can be stolen. Okay, so this was all about the convertible mechanism. Fine. So that's it in today's session. I wish you got the clear idea about this. Therefore, if you have any more to know or have any specific query, please let me know. I will surely try to respond as soon as possible. Okay, I hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Stay tuned and goodbye.